There may be an occasion when you want to remove one of the accounts from your computer. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do is go into Account Settings, and you do that by clicking the Windows button and then Settings. Go over here to Accounts, and you can also access it from Cortana. You type Accounts under Cortana, and here's Manage Your Account. You can go there, and this is my current account, but I have another account I want to go ahead and get rid of. So over here on the left, there's Family and Other People, and scroll down, you'll see a list of accounts available on your computer. I created this account in the last video. I'm going to go ahead and click this, and I want to remove it, so I'll go ahead and click Remove. Now delete account and data. Deleting this person's account will remove all their data from this PC, including items on their desktop, downloads, documents, photos, music, and other files. If this data hasn't been backed up or saved to another location, such as another PC, it will be lost. So, anyway, yeah, if you haven't backed up this person's information and you want to keep it, you should probably do that before doing this. The other thing I want to point out is make sure you know the account you're deleting. I mean, on some computers there might be accounts that you don't exactly know what they're for, or they're there for special system purposes or something like that. If you know what they are, and you know what they do, and you know what you're doing, then it might be okay to delete those. But if you watch my last video, this is just a simple test account I set up for any generic purpose, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove this account. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the account and data. And now that account is gone. So that is how you remove an account from Windows 10. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Also, make sure you check out the website, www.the-nerdcave.com, and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.